Guys, welcome back to the channel. So right now we are going someplace where I don't know. We got up around 5 or whatever. So we got our breakfast, got our towels. We're gonna be meeting them at the lobby. So yeah, where are we going, Miss Latoya?
We're going to the grill.
We're going to the grill.
Peace. You do a 10% discount off your lunch if you're gonna eat here. They have restrooms here, they have showers here. Now the chairs on the beach, you do not have to pay to use them, alright?
Really?
Yeah, wait.
Why so mean? Guys, that is what we're gonna be doing. Oh, life best. Thank you.
Just for now. What is it? What?
You gotta take a picture of yourself.
You want him to take a picture?
Okay, it's recorded.
Oh my god. It's rough.
Out here doing dangerous activities.
Oh, you need it sideways. Excuse me.
They can push it back some more. Oh, that's good. You got to come around this side, though.
You started it?
Yeah. Jesus Christ, your breath.
Whatever, the side don't count. We're taking a picture from the other end. Alright, ready?
Oh, the passion!
Ready for the hotel?
Recording. One up the camera and then
I would have to stop it.
guys, I forgot to vlog when I was leaving the room, but today we're going ziplining, some other activities. I'm dressed, the toys downstairs, I forgot something, so going back to the room to get it. And then hopefully we'll be leaving soon. So only have a few minutes, so I gotta be rushing, but that's the plan for today, guys. Bye. Where are we at right now? Right now we're at Blue Hole. We bought the wrong pair of shoes, so whose fault?
Sandreen, because she doesn't have a mind of her own.
No, I have a mind of my own. And I wasn't thinking about this activity. The only thing I'm thinking about is ziplining. I'm not worried about this. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. My shoes untied. Hey guys, come get it. I just want to let you guys know from now, I cannot swim. So this first part of the video is going to be a lot of like activities that have to do with the water. I cannot swim. So when it comes to it, when I'm in the water, there's water in my nose and in my eyes. So I'm just like trying to get back on land. Okay? If you think this part is bad, just wait and see. This is just the beginning. seen this? No. Guys, guess what just happened? We can't swim, so the guy had to like pull us to buy this thing. Oh my god. That was absolutely crazy. Oh, there's a flower. There's a leaf on me. There is a leaf.
Oh my god. Oh, I'm about to turn Kim Kardashian in that episode.
Oh my god, I didn't see you have earrings in. Hi to the people there, what they want with their soon drone, so no understanding. What is that?
Coleslaw.
Coleslaw. You can have my coleslaw. You want the other half?
Yeah. You want me to break it?
They're really hard.
This is not delicious. So everything that we're doing right now, like all the river activity, the zip lining, all of that is all at one place at the White River Village. So we didn't have to move around. We just went from one activity to the other and into the other. So that's what you guys see right now, which everything was quick and fast and easy. Say hi. I'm barely moving. I keep getting. Connie, relax.
What'd you say? You good?
Just relax. So.
Can you see yourself?
So what part of Columbus you live in?
Ohio. Oh my god. Oh my god.
Okay, hold on together now.
Oh my god. You're still right now. Woo. This is such a good arm workout. Oh, that's so cool. That's amazing. That's gonna be so cool. My arm seriously almost just ripped out of the socket. Okay, Mama. Because I cannot have that. Hi Angel, so now we're back in the room. We just got back like 2 seconds ago. I'm about to take a shower. We have a sunset cruise at 3 o'clock. No, at 3:45. Right now it's at 3 o'clock, so I need to jump in, take a shower, and be quick. But we had fun zip lining, river tubing. What else activities did we do? River tubing. And the blue hole. That was fun. I didn't get any footage of me ziplining. First of all, it's heights. I was kind of scared, so I was gonna be pulling out my phone, videotaping. No, I was hanging on to both of them, just like what the instructor said. So I don't have any footage, but I think I have one of Latoya, which I will include. Are you okay with that? Who cares? I will be including it, and I do have a picture. They didn't take any pictures of us. We were ziplining, so Is there something you need to say? Okay, stop staring. That's weird. So yeah, that's the plan for today. I'll see you guys when we're on the boat. Bye.
What? I like it. Yes. It's like, I mean, you didn't see it. It's not like a boat.